What's up everyone? You can hear from FixLab in Winnipeg. Today's appliance adventure takes us to the frustrating world of an intermittent oven. Sometimes it works perfectly, sometimes it refuses to heat up at all. Sound familiar? Fear not, in under 2 minutes we'll diagnose the culprit and get your Frigidaire oven back in baking business. Don't forget to subscribe to my FixLab for more appliance repair solutions straight from Winnipeg. Reason for service call. A customer reported that the oven on a Frigidaire electric stove was malfunctioning by sometimes not heating up at all. To pinpoint the issue, I carefully removed some of the oven's casing for a visual inspection and to take measurements with a multimeter. I focused on the temperature sensor, heating elements, control board, electrical wires and all connections. Unfortunately, the visual inspection didn't reveal any clear signs of the problem. Measurements with the multimeter provided little troubleshooting information as well. The only anomaly detected was the temperature sensor exhibiting slightly higher resistance than expected at high temperatures. However, this deviation wasn't significant enough to guarantee a fix by simply replacing the sensor. Intriguingly, during the diagnostic process, both the stove and oven functions operated normally without interruption. This lack of consistent malfunction made it difficult to pinpoint the exact culprit. The solution: a step-by-step approach. Based on the available information, complete restoration likely required replacing both the temperature sensor and the oven control board. However, considering the cost of the control board, I recommended the owner adopt a step-by-step repair approach, starting with the most affordable option and escalating as needed. We agreed to begin by replacing the temperature sensor. If this doesn't resolve the issue, we'll move on to replacing the control board in the second step. I replaced the temperature sensor and assembled the Frigidaire stove. That's all today. Stove and oven Frigidaire is ready to use. You subscribe and like. I am making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.